The camera I use, it's an Insta 360 Go 2. This is a great little camera. It's super lightweight. It's something like 26 grams or something light. It's magnetic, so it just clips onto anything magnetic, or the little hat mount that comes with it. Comes with a bunch of mounts. It's got like a lanyard mount. It's got some sticky adhesive mounts you can stick on your cars and things like that. It's also got a little magnetic hat clip, which slides onto your hat, and then the camera itself just magnetizes to it. So it's quick to change out in between stages when you're competing, pop it back into the charging case, boost it up a bit, and then when you're going to the next stage, grab it out, clip it onto your hat, and it's good to go. It's got an adjustable field of view, panoramic stuff, slow-mos, time lapses, all sorts of cool stuff.